Hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today we are going to jump on the bandwagon and we are doing the 6 days of Christmas from now till December 24th. I hope you stay tuned. I hope you enjoy. I thank you for being here and being supportive of my channel. You have no idea how much. But we are going to jump right in so this is not a long video. For my white, I'm using the white from P&D Nails, White Princess Nails by Diana. My top coat is going to be this one here. This is a gel, no white. Got that off AliExpress. My red is, I think it's Luciana Red. This is by Modelones. The wooden cap. You can buy these individually now. This is Morandy Nude. This is the nude color for the nail. That is the nude on the nail. See how beautiful that is? So we're going to jump right in. I have got my palette here. Black, red, and white. I'm going to start with the eyeballs of the reindeer is what I'm doing today. And bigger dotting tool than that. Oh, here it is. This is the one I want. Yep, it's not going to be a long video. I got to dig for everything. I get the green one out. I'm going to have some big eyeballs. And it's not big enough. Here we go. Move my palette just slightly over. Wipe this off so I can get into another color. I'm going to do his nose, which is really super easy. Gotta draw up a big old red nose now. There we go. There we go. Big old red nose. And with that, I'm going to pop this into the lamp for a flash cure. Please stay tuned each day between now and the 24th. I am going to be doing, today is the reindeer. I don't know what order I'm doing these, but I'm going to be doing the Nutcracker, which is inspired by Nails of Interest. I will be doing, where's my list? Santa Claus. Let's see, the Nutcracker, Santa Claus, Mrs. Claus, a present, and Santa Claus's outfit. So like I said, I don't know what order I'll be doing those, but that is what I'll be doing. Now, I'm going to get a brush and draw me some antlers. My palette over here. Load the tip of your brush. Okay, here we go. Oh, that is not a good antler. That's a horrible antlers. I don't even know if you can see what I'm doing. Those have some big old horns and this ain't looking right. Not at all. That one's even worse. My practice one looked a lot better than this. Let me clean off my brush. I have got my pump dispenser sitting off to the side. I'm running my brush through it with my finger and running it through the brush. Just to clean her off. There we go. Now, I'm going to cure this one more time. Just a little flash cure. We're going to put some eyeballs on for Rudolph, which means the top coat, and some black eyeballs. Let me pick two out while I'm in here. This is not the one I wanted. Just these are real. And we are not giving Rudolph real eyeballs. So as I put these away, bear with me while I find the right ones. These are not it. Oh, here they're already out, my bad. Here they go. Let me get us two. Let me see this one. Let me get us two eyeballs out. Alrighty. So what do you think of Rudolph so far? His antlers are kind of jacked. He's been through the ringer tonight, let me tell ya. So this is nice. Fold it over. Glossy top coat. And we are going to put us some eyes on. First, we're going to slide on me. Wouldn't be a video of mine if they didn't slide. Right? There we go. So now I'm going to cure this for 60. So while that's in the lamp, whoops. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Excuse me, I'm parched already. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so and click that bell so you get notified of all future videos. When you click on the bell, you have three options. Please click all, that way you're notified of everything that I upload. Normally it is 3 times a week. This Christmas season's a little bit out of control. We're doing every day from now till I think the 26th or the 28th, somewhere around there. We got a video coming out every day. But now, because I'm doing the 6 days of Christmas, and this did not cure. Oh my god. Oh my god. There goes Rudolph's eye. Now where's my other one? I don't believe that happened. So I told you I'm having trouble with my lamp. Put it in there to cure for 60 seconds and nothing happens. Wiped his eyes clean off his face. So I'm going to try this one more time and I'll be right back. Well, the reindeer's back in the lamp, so I'm going to go back to what I was chattering about and saying. Please subscribe. Please click the bell. Support my channel. In 2020, I am planning and soonly hitting 1K, and I'm going to need the watch time. We just finished a great giveaway in January. We're going to be having a New Year's one, which is going to be all kinds of little trinkets and goodies, and I am looking for sponsors, so if anybody watches this, and I know they do, please hit me up in email or Messenger. There's the other eyeball up in his antler. Oh my god. Let's see if I can pry that out of there. I'm gonna break a nail. Oh my god. Well, he's got an eyeball in the antler. Here is my Rudolph for 2019. I think he's really cute, even though his His antlers are a little wonky. I just love it. I think it turned out really cute. But there's my first day one for 6 days of Christmas. My other ones are better, I promise. My antlers just got out of control here. So, leave a comment down below. Let me know that you came through. Let me know what you think. And we'll see you next time. Thank you. Have a blessed day.